So here today we are going to see about serverlets concept. So first today we are going to see the theoretical, and tomorrow we'll see the practical of serverlets. Okay. Yes, Bharat?
Yeah, yeah, I'm there.
Hmm. So let's understand what is exactly serverlets are. I'm just sharing the screen. Today the date day will be what, 29, no?
Yeah,
29, and the topic is serverlets. Serverlets. Yeah. So do you have any idea that what is a serverlet?
yeah. I have like it runs within the server. Like it's like it will work for web pages.
Okay, fine. So you have some understanding about it, right? Okay.
Yeah,
So we'll go with that. Hmm. So what exactly we will see in this is what is serverlet, all those things we are going to see. So let's start this class. So basically, serverlet means it is like a client server architecture, architecture. Yeah. So basically, when I'm talking about a server, so there will be a client also. Yeah. So let me show you with a paint. Now, for example, here we have, this is a client. Okay, and this is, it is client, and then here we have a server. So exactly in a layman, what is the meaning of server? Server means it consists of some component. Whenever there is a request, okay, from a side of a client, then from a server we will get what, the response. Okay, so here, so this is what a client side. Example here, I'm just writing here client, this is client, and then here this is server, server. Okay, this is client and this is server. So for example, if I'm just typing here www.google.com. Okay, so what is the meaning of this? I'm trying to open this site. Yeah.
hmm.
So what is the meaning of this? Here, the moment I take a browser and for example live, I will show here. Mhm. The moment I go here and I just click on
Hmm.
Flipkart, something like this. So all of a sudden, when I'm giving a request, I'm sending a request as I'm a client here. Then as in a response, I'm getting all this. Yes, see, this is how I'm getting at the back end. What is by just typing this Flipkart. Okay, yeah, by just typing here, I'm getting all this. Now, for example, if I type on this Flipkart, okay, so just what it got opened, the total website I can able to access it, right? I can check here. We have like here. We have pics of a phone, advertisement. Here we have login button, cart is there, everything I can able to check. I can browse it properly. So the moment I click the flipkart.com, It means at the back end, what is happening at the back end, something is getting triggered, right? Then only we can able to get the response. Yes or no?
Yeah.
In the same way, for example, if I'm just clicking on this Redmi, Realme it is okay, Realme P1, then at the back end something is happening, right? Like I'm getting all kind of Realme P1 5G, everything is. The moment I'm clicking this one, yes, I got exactly the beast about the price, everything, all the details about this phone, like what are the features, RAM, everything. So it means what is the meaning of this? Only on a browser, whenever I'm typing something related to that, whatever there in the database, yes, the request, how the request is being sent, and after receiving the request, how it is responding, that that's where this comes into the picture. What servlet concept? Okay, so what we can say here is here, yeah. So it is a server, and then yeah, simply it is server, and then what I'm doing here is this part. So we are sending what one a request. This is a request, and how we can say it is a request from here. Hmm. So we are sending a request, and in response, it will give us what a response from here. From here, I will get a response. It will search everywhere whether it is there, whatever the request. For example, if I wanted to fill a form or I wanted to submit the form, so we can get it. Okay. So one thing you understood, right? Request and response.
Yeah.
Request. It is request here, and this one is response. Response. Okay. So request and response is the main concept here. Now, by seeing this, what is the first term we can write here is the first one is serverlet. Serverlet is a server side technology. Technology. GY. Okay. So what is the serverlet? We can say directly it is server side, because the serverlet is deployed on the server. Okay. Yes. Now, for example, let me be very precise here. See, where we have ChatGPT here. Now, for example, if I'm asking what is a serverlet, what is a server? What is a server? Now, let's see what it's giving the answer. Server is a computer. So it is giving what? A server is a computer system that provides what? Resources. So data, services, programs. Okay, so which can process the data. Okay, so it is simple. It is giving us a same answer. So it means what? What is the meaning of server? You may get a doubt. Server means what? It is having so many things. Database is there. Everything is there. So whenever we are a client wanted to search something on the browser, immediately a request and response request is sent. When the request is sent here, there will be so many components here. Yes. So servlet is also one of the part of the component which is deployed on the server. Yeah. Here. So what we can say, servlet is a server side technology. Okay. Second one is it handles the client request. Handles the client request. Now we can say that it is deployed on the server. Yes, on the server we it is deployed. Okay. Now fourth one is it it generates a dynamic response. It it generates dynamic. Can you give me any example of dynamic response?
Like,
Like for example, here, if I'm asking it, hi, what is your name? Okay, so it will give me some response, right?
mhm.
So I am ChatGPT, your AI assistant. How may I help you? Fine. If I'm giving a same thing, what is your name? Let's see whether it is giving the same answer or not. It does it giving me same answer? The answer
Yeah,
may be, the meaning may be same, but exactly the words are not same, right?
yeah,
So it means this is not a static answer, it is a dynamic answer. Yeah. So each and every time I'm getting a new responses. So in the same way, for example, if I log into my Facebook, will I get yours? No, right?
no,
Gmail,
yours.
yeah, Gmail is also the same thing, like dynamic. Who, yeah, so that's, we can say that it is, yeah.
Like
So
mostly, like everything is like dynamic, right?
yeah, correct. And here we need to understand what is the server also. So what is a server? Server is a software,
Mm-hmm.
or we can say hardware device, device device that accepts, what it accepts and responds. It accepts and responds request to the request made by client, made over a network by client. So the client and the server has been connected with some network, right?
Mm-hmm.
Some protocol, some HTTP, all those. So this all also comes into this picture. Got it? So what is this servlet? When someone is asking, you can say that servlet is a server-side technology. It handles the client request. It is deployed on the server. It generates dynamic response. And server is a, yes, this is exactly about server. Right. Now here, now here we have something called two types of servers. Types of servers. First one is web server. Web server. So what is the meaning exactly of web server? Which is associated with only the browser web. Okay. And second one is what? Application server. Application server. Okay. Now we have some types in this. So what is the type first? What are the examples I'm saying? Examples are Apache Tomcat, Apache Tomcat we have. Second one is Glassfish, Jyoti. Now, in the same way, here in the application server, it is bit complex. Now, in this, what we have is, in this we have JBoss, WebLogic, WebLogic. Again, here it is. Third one is IBM Space Sphere. We can say Web Sphere. Okay. So these all are what examples. Okay. So what are the examples of this web server and application server?
Sorry, what did you say?
Just asking what are the examples of web server and application server.
Yeah, Apache Tomcat, Glassfish, Jyoti, or the web server,
Correct.
and JBoss, WebLogic, IBM WebSphere, Application Server.
Yes, yes, exactly. So now we may get it out like what are the differences? Yes, differences between this, yeah, web server and application server. Okay, so let's try to understand the differences first. Now, differences is first we'll write web server here, web server, and then we'll write here application server. First point. This is it has only web container only. Okay, so it has web container, only web container, web container. But it has not only web container but different things also. So what it has web container, it has other containers also. First one it has other containers like yeah. So we have something like EJB, like EJB. It has EJB, EJB. You know full form?
No, I don't know.
Yeah, it is the Enterprise Java Beans. So what it is? Enterprise Java Beans. Okay. So as of now, just remember like this. Okay. So it has this also. Now next point is second one. Now second point is web server is we can say it is useful or it is for static content, we can say mostly. So it is fitted for static content, and this is for dynamic content. Okay. Now third one, it contains less resources, we can say, consumes, means the memory allocation or the time duration is less for this. So it it consumes less resources, okay. And here it utilizes more resources, whatever it is. Fourth one, okay. So here web server where it runs, so it runs on what? Web arranges like environment for web application.
Mm-hmm.
While this one is like a enterprise application, like we can see some of the websites, or we cannot purchase anything. Like I mean to say, we have to purchase. They are not open source. Yeah. So what we can say that this run on environment for web. So only web we can say it runs. So what we can say here is web servers. Web web servers arrange the run environment. Web application. Now here fourth one is this run for enterprise, for web application it will run, but for enterprise application also. enterprises. So what is the meaning of enterprise application? It is not open source to pay and use. Now here, multi-threading is supported,
Mm-hmm.
and here it is not supported. Fifth one, not not supported. Yeah. Now, now here, in this, so in this web server, we use HTML and HTTP protocols are used. But here coming to this one, GUI as a we use GUI. Yes, we use GUI as well as HTTP. Yes, we use both. Now seventh one. Now examples. We have seen the examples, right? Apache, HTTP server. So as examples you have seen. That's it. This is some of the differences. Yes.
Yeah.
Uh, so these differences are done. Now in this server 29. In this server, what are the things contains on a on an example like server has many things like for example containers. It has containers. What are the containers? It has servlet, servlet, servlet container. Then again it has the JSP container, JSP, okay, JSP containers. It has security containers. Okay. Here spelling is wrong. Containers now. Security containers. Then we have WebSocket containers, socket containers, and then we have J, J and DI containers. Okay, so these are the some of the things which is containers which is there in the servlet. Got it?
Yeah.
Hmm. So these all are we have server side technologies. So not only this, we have other technologies also which is of server side technology. So for example, side server side technology. What are the server side technology we do have? First one is JSP. Yes, is Java Server Pages. It is, and second one is Spring Boot, Spring Spring Boot, and third one is Strut JSF, and the fourth one is PHP. I guess you have heard the name PHP, Python. So these all are what server side technologies. We have many server side technologies. Okay. Now, now what should be done here is first what we have to do here is first thing to to install we have to follow few steps. First one, we have to download the we are using here Tomcat server zip file. Okay, and second one is set runtime environment Tomcat, where we have to set it in Eclipse. Okay, and third one is add a server in Eclipse. Okay. So these are the three things we have to understand. Okay, so in today's video we are going to see how to download. So now here you just need to type download. Yes, so let's see Tomcat. I wanted to download the Tomcat. Yeah, so let's go here, browser. Now just you need to type here download, or you can just type Tomcat server. Okay, Wikipedia you can directly search. Once you open the Wikipedia, so you can just go through it. So they're asking amount. Hmm. So here it is. See here. So this is the versions. Okay, Tomcat version. See here. This is 2.0 version. Tomcat started off. It's all about telling about Tomcat versions here series. Now here the latest one is 10.1, 11.0 alpha. So it supports Jakarta servlet. So okay, we'll go with the 10.1. So once you have seen the Wikipedia here, now yes, now here what you have to type is download Tomcat Tomcat 10.1 one for Windows. Okay, so just click on this first link. So here, which one we have to download? This one, 64-bit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this one. This is there, right? 64-bit Windows, and then PGP. This just you have to download this. Oh, it's not getting downloaded. Hmm. Actually, this we have to download. Huh. So I'm just keeping it in desktop only. Save. Let's see whether it's got downloaded or not. 14.1 MB done. Okay. Now let me go to this desktop. All the softwares are there, right? This one is also zip. This one is also zip. So what I will do is I will just keep this all zips. Okay, let me extract this one. MySQL connector, right? It is already we have extracted here. Okay. I'll just create another folder here. New software for Java full stack means J Java JF. Yes, Java full stack. Yes,
Yeah.
Java full stack. These are the softwares. So my connector zip. I have to. Yes, I kept inside this. Now this Tomcat. First, I need to what I need to do here is extract all. Yesterday, what we have downloaded and installed?
Yesterday we connected with the MySQL, right, with Java.
Yeah, that's what. What is the name of it? It is a connector.
Yeah, yeah, connect.
See here, this is my MySQL connector. I'm just keeping this also in softwares. And yes, this is also done, right? I'm just keeping it in softwares of JFS. Now here it is a Tomcat. Now this is Tomcat 10.1.28. Okay, if you click on this, you will get a bin configuration. Okay, so if you
Yeah.
wanted to change something, you can go through this lib. All these files are there. See, these all are like it is representing as a Java only, right? This is for Java. So log them, all this. These all are the internal files of what? Apache Tomcat. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now just open your Eclipse. Now what we have to do, I said like three things, right? So once we have downloaded, we have to integrate with the Eclipse. So how to integrate? Go to the Windows. After going Windows, go to the preferences. After going the preferences, we have to go to the server. Check whether server is available or not here. Marvin plugin development. Yeah, server is there.
Yeah.
Yes. Now click on server and audio launching overlays profilers. Click on runtime environment. Click.
Hmm.
Yes. Have you clicked on runtime? Like we have to click on runtime. After clicking on runtime, yeah, apply and close. Okay. Not that. Preferences. Runtime. Now what we have to do? New server runtime. New. Is it add? Add, remove, edit. Okay. Add. We can add it, right? Yeah. So the moment I type the add, we are getting what? Apache. Everything is coming here. SAP. Whatever the server is there in my system, I think it's everything is getting displayed. Select the runtime server. Now Apache is there. In this Apache, what I have to select? What is the version I have downloaded? 10.1, right?
One, yeah.
Yeah. So just click on that and go to the next. Yes. Now once you are gone to that, now we need to what we have to do? Name. Name is already there. It is. Its name is already there. Now we have to browse the address of it. Yeah, just go to the browse here. Where it is? Apache. Here. Yes. Click on this. Click on bin. This total. Select. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
But it is giving me error. What is that error? Unknown version of Tomcat was specified. So let's get back. Which version it is? Is it 10? Next. Now Tomcat browse. You have to browse.
Choose 10.1, right?
Yeah, that's what now it is giving me showing me error. Again, it is showing error. App the Apache Tomcat installation in the directory is this much, and a Tomcat 10.0 installation is expected. Okay, so let's go back. Which one
I
it
think you
has?
should do.
10.1, yes. Now let's go with the next one. But here also it is showing me error, no? Uh,
Yeah.
that is the reason I went this one. And for example, here, if I'm giving with this, select the folder. Okay, I went to the bin, right? So we have to select the folder itself. Now it's no error, right? I don't see any
No.
error.
No.
Now,
What did you do?
what?
No. What now? How the error is gone?
Because see here, I just went here and this total is there now.
Mm.
Yeah, so 10.1.0 up to here only. I went to the bin also. For example, if I'm going bin now, if I'm select a folder, then it is showing me what error. So I should not go inside the bin.
Okay.
Okay, so I should not go inside the bin. See, it's gone. Error is gone. Next, what I need to do, I need to finish. Done. So once I click on finish, now what I need to do, apply and close. Yes,
Yeah.
that's it, right? Yeah. So what is the meaning of this? The meaning is it got installed? Yeah,
Y- Yeah. It is.
yeah. So let's go with the server ones. Where is the server? I can find here. Sort view console servers. Yeah, I can see here now. Now here
Mm.
no servers. Click here. What it is? Hmm. Now what I have to do here is now I need to click here, right? Click this link to create a new server. I'm clicking it. What is the third step I said? In the notes, it will be add the server in the Eclipse. Set the runtime. Runtime we have set. Now we have what we have to do. We have to add the server in Eclipse. How to add this? Again Apache. Again here, which version it is? I need to check. Huh. 10. Yes. So once I selected, I got server's host name. I got server name. I got and then server environment also I got. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now configuration, add all those things we can do, but I'm just clicking on finish. So it means what? Successfully I have added it. Yes. Yeah. Server has added here. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Now what I need to do is I need to click on this and start. So click on start and check whether it is working or not. Oh, oh my God. There is a problem.
Internet problem. Yeah.
What is the problem here?
The
Uh,
local host is in already use.
Starting Tomcat server, a local host has encountered a problem. The port number 8080 is required by Tomcat server host is already in use. Okay. The server may already running in another process. The system to start this server, you need to stop the other process or change the port
I
number.
think you should close the other.
Yeah, so let's we can change the port number, right? How we can do that? Let's see. delete, change. Okay, can we change if I'm deleting it? Delete Anil. Okay. Now here again I can go here again, select the Apache, go with this here. Now here I can change the port number. Hmm, configure runtime environment. Not this. Then I should get that port number actually where it is. Add. Okay. Next, localhost Tomcat server. Apply and close. For example, if I'm giving next, okay, not this. Uh, we are getting an error, right? It's not unable to get started. So port number I need to find out. Okay. So let's see here. Once again, I'm trying. I'm giving a try.
So usually it is showing like it's running somewhere else, like where it is running.
Yeah, yeah. Earlier that port number I only used it like in another projects. So, but I need to check how to change. See here, it is showing host name, server name, port number. It is not showing. If it is showing port number, it would be good. Okay, fine. I'm just finishing it. I added it. If I'm okay, the moment I clicked on that, okay, now here I can get with the port number here. Can I change it? I just wanted to change it. So I have to click double click on that. Now 8088. Now it doesn't have, it is not giving me anything to save it, right? Okay, no option to save here. Stop. We don't have anything to refresh also. So let's go with this and let's try to start. Save Tomcat on server at localhost. Save. Okay. So what is happening? See, it is running. It started, and its setup has been started, and it stopped also. So this is how a server looks and it starts. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So there are a lot of process in this. So that is the reason you have to clearly watch this step by step. Okay.
Mm.
So so here you can see the startup, Catalina start, server start. Yeah. So in this session, we have successfully run the server, Tomcat server. Yeah. You can stop this. I'm just terminating it. And that's it. Oh my god, where it's gone? Window to navigator marker console, not console, server. Yeah, server was here. Yes, now it's fine. That's it. Okay, so what we have learned in today's class. Okay, I will just write down the step by step process also. Okay, so that you should not get confused.
Yeah, please.
Hmm?
Yeah, please. That
Uh,
will be help.
yeah, so what we have done here, first thing, step by step steps to start Tomcat Servlet on Windows. Okay. What is the first step? We downloaded.
Mm-hmm.
You know how to download, right? Download it.
Yeah, downloaded 10.1 version. Yeah.
I'm getting a call from Tamil Nadu. Just a second. Hello? Yes? Yes, I'm Vivek. Okay. 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 So actually, yes, yes, I'm a freelance, but currently I'm busy in some semester project in college, Hyderabad. Yeah, definitely, sir. You can just say my number or you can just ping me on WhatsApp. I will also save your number. Hello.
Yeah. Hi.
Actually, sorry, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you good.
So they are looking for a freelance trainer for Tamil Nadu,
Okay.
but I'm already engaged, right?
Yeah.
But Tamil Nadu people they do pay a little less per day.
Oh, I don't know that.
Yeah, there are so many trainers nowadays everywhere. First, what we have done, we downloaded. What we have downloaded, like to download, what we have did, we just went. Yeah, first this to download. What is the yeah this one? This you have to type in the browser. Download, and then second one is what we done in the second one. Click. We clicked on this, right?
Yeah.
And yeah, we went and then one, two, third, fourth. Fourth one we have. So how can I say this? Uh, Click on the first link. Mhm. Click on the first link. Okay. First link we have clicked. Okay. Then from here, which one? From here we downloaded this part. This one. Just try to copy.
I, yeah, paste.
Click on this. Hmm. Now down. Okay. First is what not downloaded. It is search in the Chrome in the browser. Okay. Now once we have done with that, third one is it downloading will be getting started. Now it is download. Okay. Now fourth one. What is the fourth one you have to do? What we have done fourth one. After this, we have gone to this slide. This sidebar again. It's when I need this side navigator marker console packages. Project Explorer. Did I got? No. Hmm, Short view. Get here. Hmm, Let me check with the packages. Console marker. Okay, it is giving me like this. Okay. We have not opened anything, right? Nothing we have opened. So for example, in the Bharat, and then we go with this. This. If I'm opening this, now it's fine. Okay, now it seems like somewhat good. Fine. So what we have done here, next step is fourth step. What we have done, we went to the Windows preferences, Windows. Now, what is the name of this setting environment?
Mm-hmm.
Eclipse. So what we are doing, just go with the Windows option. After Windows, then preferences. After preferences, where we went after preference, Windows.
Server.
Huh. In this preference, we went to this server. Yes, left side server. In this server, we went a runtime environment.
Yeah.
Runtime environment. Okay. Now runtime environment. Okay. So we get this. We can add. Okay. So in this runtime environment, we have to add. What we have to add? The server, the Apache Tomcat. It will give the options. Add the Tomcat in option. Add the Tomcat from the option. Now, after adding from the option, once you added this, then you have to apply and close. Click on apply and close. Now, fourth one. Once we have done this, everything is everything is went well. Now what we have done afterwards. Then go to server. After going to server, uh, new. It was there. What it has new, right? Hello.
Yeah.
So go to the server. Now uh, click on the new server. Once you click on the new server, for example, once again I'm doing here. I'm just deleting this. Okay. So here it is. See, no server are available. Click on to clear. So once this is done, now here also we need to select. Select this and then finish. So select the Tomcat.
Version 10.1.
Yeah.
No, I'm just saying version 10.1.
Version also we have to check. Select the Tomcat from the option. Once we have selected, then add it. That's it. We have done. We have added it. Now, once we have added it, now if you wanted to make a change in the port 61 to make any changes, port number, direct click on that link directly. If you click on this now, It will give all the details here. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click on the port. Okay. Now seventh one is you can start the server. Seventh one is right click on the server on the Tom Tomcat added server and click on start to check if it's working. So let's click on start. Okay, what happened? Okay, we have not changed this, right? This time I will use 3. Now start, save. See, it is starting, right? It's
Yeah.
done. Uh, yes, okay. So milliseconds, all this. If you get these things, 7, 8, 1. Check if you are getting all the red, all the codes, and ending with successfully done. Yeah.
Yeah.
So these are the process you need to follow. I wanted you to try all this and get this Tomcat server installed, or environment also has to be set up. Okay,
Okay.
so that tomorrow we can see one application of yeah, of a browser. Yeah,
Yeah.
if we can do simultaneously, it will be more good. Actually, I'm teaching, I'm just delivering here. We can do the simultaneously. It will be like if you are getting an error, we can try to solve.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, first you try for JDBC today, and then we can go with that.
Uh-huh.
Okay, so that's it for today, Bharat.
Yeah.
Have a good day.
Yeah. Have a good night. Bye.
Bye.